Happy Tuesday, everybody. I wanted to do a quick video about Ethereum POW. No, not prisoner of war. Proof of work. Ethereum POW, we all received, I think back in 2022 when there was a hard fork of Ethereum. So this is the Ethereum history. I think we have to go all the way back to the merge. Remember that? The merge actually was a hard fork. And when the merge happened, looks like it was September 15th, 2022, everybody that had some Ethereum in their wallet all of a sudden got some ETHW. And this reminded me yesterday when I was working with somebody, and he said, "Hey, what is this ETHW?" And I was like, "Oh, it's probably a scam coin," but I forgot that that I still had some. And you're not going to see ETHW unless you change the network on your MetaMask. It really, it's hard to say this is exactly what you need to do. I always focus on having a ledger. And so if you have your ledger connected to MetaMask, it's really easy. All you have to do is add a coin. And where this, oh, okay, this is the first day outside I've been able to do a video, and the wind's picking up. And it seems like it's spring, but it's still officially winter. But it is gorgeous here. It is bright and sunny here. But you might see this where it says this is a potential scam. Well, potentially it's a scam. It's probably not a very good coin. I'm not sure what the usage of it is. I will probably unload mine. But you may see this because there's the little exclamation point in the red triangle. But what you can do is I'll include this down below, this URL, but it's a tutorial for setting up ETHW wallet and claim your airdrop. You don't really have to claim it. It's there. You just have to connect your wallet. So you'll go through and you will add these settings to your MetaMask wallet, and you will then all of a sudden see some beautiful coins show up, and you can do whatever you want to do with them. But as things start to run and we get excited, we forget about the little things that are around. It may not matter to some of you, but I just want to remind you that this is still here, and you might as well just get rid of it or do something with it or put it on your list for getting rid of it when you decide to liquidate other things. That's all I have. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great day.